So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius back at it again with another video. Sorry, got distracted. I'm at the house. So if you have not followed my social media, make sure you do that. I will put it on the screen right here, and it's also down in the description. It's also on the end of the video, whatever. Sorry, there's a whole lot of traffic today apparently. Ain't been no traffic the whole time I've been in the house, and then I come out here to record and there's a crap ton of traffic. But anyways, so if you have not followed my social media, you have not noticed that I have got a new truck. There's the car. I no longer own that. Whole nother video in itself, but pretty much sold that to my dad so I could actually focus on getting me another truck. So Night Rider's not mine no more.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Not mine, but I've had the truck for about a month. Just kind of wanted to test it around and see what I needed to fix. Well, not really fix, but see what I wanted to change and all that good stuff. Get a good feel of it. But I'm gonna throw some cinematics on the screen right now to give y'all the video and reveal the new truck. I went over to the dark side. I do still have the Yukon. That's just the new tow pig. So 2004 Ford F-150 extended cab, as you can tell. It's the FX4, so it's an off-road edition. Freaking love it. It's got 11 kit on it already. Let me see if I can actually show y'all. So right there is 11 kit. So it's got 11 kit. That's why it kind of sits a little high. It sits higher than my daddy's F-150 Coyote with the off-road. But so far I absolutely love this truck. I did go riding one. It'll be before this video, but it's gonna come out after this video. I wanted to get the reveal video up, but that was the first pull with it, and the truck did amazing. It's an amazing truck. It rides real good. You can tell it's got the 11 kit on it. It's a little stiff. There's some stuff I still got to do to it. Before I get too far into this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and ask, let me know down below if y'all want a build series on this truck, because I do have some ideas I want to do for the truck. Just let me know if y'all actually want to see those in videos, because it's a great truck. I've already did the first oil change. I love it. Just excuse it being dirty, because out here in Virginia the pollen is freaking terrible. But it does have tinted windows. Oh, it's a little basic. Well, no, I really wouldn't say basic. It's just it's just a Ford 08 interior. That's it. But I do want to get rid of the factory radio. That's the main thing. And I'm gonna show y'all a sneak peek of the first thing I've ordered for this truck, and I'm so excited to put on. Honestly, might go ahead and do a video on it. So excuse the oil pan. That is the tonneau cover. I've already got the tonneau cover, so hopefully when I go on long trips I can throw everything back there, lock the tailgate up, keep it moving. But I'm gonna go over some stuff that I kind of want to do to the truck. I do want to change the headlights and the fog lights. Ooh, that has moisture in it. Oh, that's not good. Huh. It is everything, all the bumpers and stuff are body matched. They're color matched. So I do want to change the headlights out. I want to change tail lights out. I've already got the tonneau cover, which I'm really excited to put on. And then I also want to do a backup camera. Now I'm trying to decide on if I want to do it here or here. If I do it in a tailgate handle, I got different ideas for the Ford emblems. I do want to kind of change out the Ford emblems. Kind of want to get rid of the chrome and the chrome 5.4 Triton up here. Do want to get rid of that too. I'm just not a big fan of chrome. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I hate chrome. Like, I don't like chrome. I do want to change the wheels and tires. Just don't really know what I want to do yet. I have thought about changing the FX4 sticker to like the updated version like my dad is, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I actually do kind of like it. I really do. But all in all, the truck pulls great. I love it. It's an awesome riding truck. It's even got the running boards, or as I call them, the old man steps. But you know, your boy's getting a little old, so my whole wrestling I used to do in high school, and you know, getting in and out of lowered cars and riding, it's taking a toll on your boy getting old. So, but it's a great running truck. I love it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm really glad I finally got back into a Ford. I like my GMC, but I miss riding in a Ford, especially after coming from the Mustang. Now granted, it don't have as much power as the Coyote, but the 5.4 Triton engine is still a good engine. Like, I'm pretty ecstatic. Like I said, I'm hoping to really get rid of the old headlights and fog lights. Just gotta decide on which ones I want. Let me know down below if y'all think I should pretty much black the whole truck out. I mean, black headlight housing, black fog lights, tail lights, third brake light. Like, kind of, I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about what I want to do. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to give y'all a little update video and revealed a new tow pig. It's a beast. Like, I'm completely happy with it. Like I said, it's got the leveling. So, I'm gonna finish my past self-thought. It's got the leveling kit on it, and it's now got the Tonneau cover on it, so I really love the truck. It's a great truck. So if you see the truck and a red brute force, come find me. I'm down to ride. So I hopefully see y'all out on the trails. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.